Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the ADR scanner. So recently we have created that ADR scanner with less than 1% stocks to find out stock which forming a less than 1%. Last video, so we created three scanners regarding the positive side, and now in this video, so simply we are making a dashboard to find out less than 1% trades. So I just avoided the first candle. So why? Because of most of the time the first candle is more than 1%. So normally, previous scanners we have first 15 minutes, second 15 minutes, like that, which we have created. And there in the first candle, maybe a gap up or gap down. So we seen a huge price thing. So let me check our first candle. So Marico. Okay. So this is the first candle. You can look at this. It is closed below the ADR. So the percentage is around comparing. It's less than 1%. We are not taken at, maybe if you are using a first candle, so we will be getting. So Godrej Properties is the second one. Sorry, Godrej Consumer Product. So maybe here you can see more than big candles. So we simply avoid in the first candle. So because it is having a big changes. So Indian Hotel, yesterday we discussed on those video. So Indian Hotel is a big candle more than 2%. To avoid these conditions, we are simply creating a less than 1% on second, third, fourth candle. So in this dashboard, simply I have created a first candle, second candle, third, 15 minutes candle, fourth and fifth also maybe. So 9:30 to 9:45, 9:45 to 10 o'clock, 10 to 10:15, and 10:15 to 10:30. So these are all the four which I created, and already the second one and third one which I have created. Let me check in the second candle India Mart and Infosys. So let me check how much the change percentage India Mart and Infosys the downside move. So you can look at the second candle which exactly closed below less than 0.72%, 1% less than. So it is breaks below, so maybe we can keep a stop loss about to the higher ADR, whichever is higher in the lower side, and or we can keep the candle high as a stop loss. So this works better. At least 1:1 or more than 1:1.5. So it depends on your risk ability. You can fix your targets. But our aim is to reduce the risk, minimum risk. Okay. And the second stock which I look at is around Infosys. What happened in Infosys? Less than 1%, which I'm looking for the gap. Here is the second candle. Maybe that is very tight, and less than 1%, it's a very minimum. Maybe next candle it's given you on the third candle, which given you the entry based on the ADR, the low around 1682. Maybe our stop loss got triggered 1687 triggered, but after triggering your stop loss, then it is slightly moving down and it moves down. So this is the reason we created this one. So modification on our ADR. So limited less number of stop loss or minimum stop loss that we have required based on this Navin Fluoride, MGL, and second candle. Let me check Navin Fluoride. Second candle, it's around 0.62%. The low is our entry. Maybe the candle high is our stop loss, but finally it closed with so small profit. And next one is MGL. That is the third candle only we are filtering out. MGL, that is looks good. So that high is not broken after the low is broken. So whether it is giving you the opportunity, how much it down. So it came down up to after the entry 0.4%. Maybe this is also be triggers our stop loss. So no problem. So it is not about 100% proof strategy. So we need to manage our trade according to our need. So Muthoot Finance is the third one. And if you are looking for an option trade, so you need to check the quality and liquidity. So you can see the Muthoot Finance in the third candle. So it broken the low from 1330. Stop loss would be 39, and it came down to 1308. That works. So five indicator which I have added in this particular scanner. Maybe soon you will be getting color changes and to differentiate, but this is what taking a time to build this strategy, build this particular thing. So maybe soon I will try to create the downside also. So let me try for a downside, fourth candle. Okay. So let me try to do a fourth candle. about 15 minutes candle, so we need to do it. 15 minutes candle, so third and fourth. Okay, so let me try and add it. So maybe I'm doing here. So fourth candle taking some time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So fourth candle which we are looking for, fourth one. So I have added. So we don't have any stocks. So simply by using this particular dashboard, we are finding out very less number of stocks. So that is the main reason. And let me create a same like that fifth one. So if any stocks, maybe the modification that color changes to identify that we can do it later. This is what a main dashboard. So those are looking for a very minimum number of stop loss. That is what a less than 1%. So we find out an opportunity. So previous ADR also working better. So here even we are modifying that for a limited number of stop loss. That is the reason so which you have created. So now we are looking for a fifth one. Okay, these are all the customized indicator. So which is not defaultly available in charting. So we create a customized indicator, then we are doing the same. Okay. So fifth candle, if you are finding any opportunity, let me refresh. Yeah. Fifth candle trend Grasim MFSL Bank of Baroda. So let me check what is happening here. So trend Grasim MFSL. So trend fifth candle. I'm just looking at. Here is the fifth candle. Sorry, yeah, here is starting 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth candle. So maybe this one after trigger not giving you such a good movement, it is not a liquid one. So MFSL, which is on the next, that was the fifth candle after the breakdown, that giving you such a good move. So if you're planning an option trade, you should look for a good volume and liquid stocks. This is the fifth candle. So the low is not broken, there is no entry. And finally Bank of Baroda, maybe a volumeable stock, whether it is giving you the opportunity or not. So big one, I think it's more than 1.6% how it came into the scanner. So let me check that it is more than 1.6% in the fifth candle. To be key. I think there is a data issue. So let me refresh. Yeah, trend Grazim memo puzzle only. So we need to change and we'll modify that, and this scanner also going to be updated on our premium group. That is what a charting scanners group which I have. So there you will be access my all premium scanners which I have already created, and whatever the scanner which I'm going to create in futures, that is also be going to be updated on that particular group only. So if you want to access that group, it's a paid group, so you need to get that details, more details about that premium group. So the number which shown on this video, you can message me on WhatsApp, so you'll be getting more detail. So this is what update for the scanner which I created for ADR less than 1% changes, which going to give you such a good opportunity for our intraday trades. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching this, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, doubt also, just ping me on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.